Hello kids, welcome back to class. Now you all are being at your home. There you are playing, dancing, eating, sleeping, all the things are doing. Even though sometimes you are feeling so boring. For that I brought you a fantastic song to you. Do you love to sing a song? Yes, very good. Then you can stand from your place. Or you get up, stand from your place. Keep your hands like this. Keep your hands like this. Now, shake your head. Are you shaking? Shake your head. Shall we sing a song? First, I am going to sing a song. You are going to listen. After that, you can also sing. Shall I start? Yes. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z, X, Y, Z. Butter on your bread. If you don't like it, go to bed. Next Monday morning, come to me. I will teach you ABC. Do you like this song? Do you want to sing along with me? Then you can also start. Shall I start? Yes. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Yes, start to sing. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T. U, V, W, X, Y, Z. X, Y, Z. Butter on your bread. If you don't like it, if you don't like it, go to bed. Go to bed. Next Monday morning. Very good. Next Monday morning, come to me. Very good. Come to me. I will teach you ABC. I will teach you ABC. Very good. Shall we do like this again? Yes, like this I am going to sing a small lines alone. You are also going to sing like the same. Shall we do once again? Very good. Okay. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z, X, Y, Z. Butter on your bread. If you don't like it, Go to bed. Next Monday morning, come to me. I will teach you ABC. Very good. You've done a great job. Shall we sing together now? I am not going to stop anywhere. I am going to continue the song continuously. So, you have to sing like me. Shall we do this? Yes, be ready for that. Start. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z, X, Y, Z. Butter on your bread. If you don't like it, go to bed. Next Monday morning, come to me. I will teach you ABC. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z, X, Y, Z. Butter on your bread. If you don't like it, go to bed. Next Monday morning, come to me. I will teach you ABC. Very good. You all have sang very well. Let us learn to write alphabets. Let us learn to write alphabets. Before started to learn, we have to remember what do we learn in the last class. What do we learn? What did you learn to write? Can you remember? Can you? Who said? Very good. What do we learn? We learned about lines and curves. Is it? Very good. Now you have to find. I am going to draw the lines. What kind of line it was? Okay, you have to say the answer to me. What line is this? What line? Straight line. Very good. What line? Straight line. You want an example for straight line? Very good. Tree. Okay, super. Okay, see. What kind of line it was? What kind of line it was? Very good. It is slanting line. What is slanting line? See the next one. What is this? Curve. Superb. You learned very well. Superb. Okay, this is curve. Then what about this? Very good. This is also a curve. What curve it is? It is open curve. What is it? Open curve. What is open? Open. So, this is open curve. This is closed curve. What is it? Closed curve. Now you know the difference between these curves, no? So, say again, it is open curve and it is closed curve. Shall we learn to write small cursive A? Are you ready to learn? Okay. For that, you have to take your 4-line note. What you have to take? You have to take your 4-line note. With the help of your mom, you can take your note. Are you ready to write? Have you all brought your note? Okay, shall I start? Then, see here. Draw a small curve and big curve, line, again a curve. A. Draw a small curve and big curve, line, again a curve. A. See, listen carefully. Write again. Draw a small curve and big curve, line, again a curve. A. Shall I write again? See, write along with me. Draw a small curve and big curve, line, again a curve. What letter it is? A. Now, you are going to help me. What you are going to do? You are going to help me. First thing, what I have to do? What I have to do? Very good. Small curve, then very good. Big curve, next line, super. Again a curve. Yay, superb. So, we learn to write small cursive A, is it? Okay. Are you ready to learn to write next capital letter A? Are you ready to write? Very good. Take a new page. You can practice this for a full page. Okay. So, take a new page and start to write along with me. Is it okay? Yes. Right. First, draw one slanting line. What line? Slanting line. Again a slanting line. Then one sleeping line. What letter it is? A. But this is capital A. What we have learned here? This is small cursive A. And it is capital A. Okay. Write again. Draw a slanting line. Again a slanting line. Then draw one sleeping line. A. Write along with me. Draw a slanting line. Again a slanting line, then sleeping line. A. Now it's your time. You are going to help me. Are you ready to help? Super kids, say first what I have to draw? What line? Straight line? No. Then what line? Slanting. Superb. So slanting line, then very good. Again a slanting line. Next, sleeping line. Superb. Now you learn to write small cursive A and capital A. Superb. Okay. We have learned the rhymes now. Then we have learned how to write the letter A. Now we are going to see a lot of words starts with A. The words starts with A. We are going to learn now. I am going to give a picture. You have to say the name of the picture. See what picture it is? Very good. Apple. Do you like to eat apple? Who are not like to eat an apple? You are not like. Okay, then no problem. I have a doubt. Apple is a fruit or a vegetable? Yes, very good. Apple is a fruit. Who brought your apple to you? Ah, yes, your father or your mother, somebody's come from outside. Your relation, no? They also brought you some kind of fruits to you. Surely they will have apple because all the small kids love to eat the fruit of apple. Okay. Do you know the color of the apple? What color it was? Very good. It is red color. What is the color of apple? Red color. Super. Okay, what is it? Apple. What is it? Apple. A for apple. A for apple. Say the answer for my question. A for? What is A for? Apple. Superb. A for apple. Okay. See. What picture it is? Yes. Astronaut. What picture it is? Astronaut. Who is astronaut? Who is astronaut, ma? Have you ever seen the picture before this? Have you ever seen this? No. Some of you alone seen. Okay, no problem. Now I am going to say about astronaut. After finishing this session, you can take a lot of pictures from your parents' mobile and you can see. Okay. Okay, astronauts. These people also are people only like us. They are also a people only. But we are living here, no. But these people know they are living in space. What is space? What is space, ma? Go outside and see the sky. Go outside fast. Run and see. Ah, very good. Have you seen? Can you see the sky? Yes, we can see the sky. But beyond the sky, what is being? What is being beyond the sky, ma? We cannot see, no. But the astronaut know, they can see. They are going to the space and they are researching what is being beyond our planet. Which planet we are living? We are living in Earth. Likewise, what are the planets are there? What are things are being beyond the sky? They are searching. They are living for month, year and many days. Okay, that is only their work. So, these people are called astronaut. These people are called astronaut. Where they will live and research. Where the astronauts will live and research. Space. Very good. What did the astronaut research? What did the astronaut research? They are research the beyond the things. What things we can't see, that things they are searching for me. Is it? Who is he? Astronaut. Who is he? Astronaut. A for astronaut. Repeat after me. A for astronaut. A for astronaut. A for? Yes, say. Very good. Astronaut. A for astronaut. Shall we go for next word? Yes. See the image. What is this? A lady. I am going to call her aunt. How like I am called? Aunt. Do you call anybody aunt? Did you call anybody aunt? Whom do you call aunt? Whom do you call aunt? Yes, your mother's sisters are your father's sister. That people we can call aunt. Who can call aunt? Mother's sisters. She may be a younger sister or elder sister. Like a way, father's elder sister or a younger sister. They are called as aunt. They are called as aunt. Who is she? Aunt. Who is she? Aunt. A for aunt. A for aunt. Repeat after me. A for ant. A for ant. Okay, shall we go for next image? See, what image it is? It is ant. Before that also we have seen ant, but now ant. That is aunt, and this is ant. Did you ever seen this ant? Where did you see? Yes, in your home. Whenever you eating the sweets, no, you spill it somewhere in your home. In that place, after some time, you can see these ants because ants love sweets very much. Okay, so you can see the ants at your home. Not even your home, outside, wherever you want to see, you can see. Okay, so that much of familiar ant to you. Hereafter you can watch very closer to ant. Okay, what is this? Ant. What is this? Ant. Have you ever have a experience the bite of ant? Did the ant bite you? How did you feel? Oh, it's paining. You said no, it's paining. So if the ant bite us means we felt so pain. We felt so pain. Okay. Who bite? We can, if ant bite, what can we feel? We felt what? Painful experience. Paining. We felt pain. Who is this? Sorry, wait, what is this? This is ant. A for ant. A for ant. Say along with me. A for ant. A for ant. Shall we go for next image? Yes. See. What is this pa? Yes, aeroplane. What is this? Aeroplane. Where did you see this? Have you seen the aeroplane? Yes, where did you see? Yes, in the sky. We have seen the aeroplane in the sky. And the aeroplane is flying in the sky. Have you traveled in this? Have you ever traveled in this? Oh, somebody. Okay, that was a beautiful experience, no? Stomach and all have a different experience, no? It's paining or doing something or stomach. Have you had an experience with spinning wheel? Yes. You may go to circus, no? There you can see the spinning wheel. Yeah, if you travel, that means you can have the experience. Like the experience you can have in this aeroplane also. Okay? Okay. What picture it is? Aeroplane. What picture it is? Aeroplane. A for aeroplane. A for aeroplane. Repeat after me. A for aeroplane. A for aeroplane. A for very good. A for aeroplane. Shall we go for next image? Yes. Arrow. A for arrow. For what the things we can use arrow? Hunter, no. In forest, the hunter, no, they will hunt some of the animals and birds. For hunting them, the hunters know they use arrow. Why? Because the arrows know that was so sharp at the edge. That sharp, no, that will kill the animals easily. For that, the hunters using arrow to hunt. What is this? Arrow. For what purpose it's using? It's using to hunt animals and birds. Okay. What is this? Arrow. A for arrow. A for arrow. Repeat after me. A for arrow. A for arrow. Can we go for next image? Yes. What is it? Arm. What is it? Arm. Where is arm? Here. See my arms. So this is arms. What did the arms do for us? What did the arms do for us? It is help us to lift the things. If a thing is being down or up in the sense, by using the arm, we can take the things easily. By using the arm, we can take the things easily. Arms help us to lift the things. Arms help us to lift the things. A for arm. A for arm. A for arm. A for arm. Let's we see the next image of A. What is this? Air. What is this? Air. For what purpose we need air, ma? For what purpose we need air? If you or we want to live in the sense, we need surely air. Why? Knowingly or unknowingly, we are breathing continuously. We are breathing continuously. Keep your hand here. Near to your nose, you just keep your hand like this. What did you felt? Air. Are you feeling air? Yes, we can feel air, but we cannot see air. We can feel air, but we cannot see air. If you are feeling sweating in the sense, you turn on the fan, is it? If you turn on in the sense, what did you have? You can have cool air. What did you have? You can have cool air. Can you see the air? No. Very good. We can feel the air, but we cannot see the air. So, air helps us to live. Not for us, all the living things in the earth. All the living things in earth. Like trees, birds, animals, all the things are living by air. Okay? What is this? Air. A for air. A for air. A for very good. Air. A for air. Shall we go for next image? Yes. See, what picture it is? Abacus. What is it? Abacus. Have you seen the abacus? Most of them were seen. Superb. For what purpose we are using abacus, ma? Doing the maths, addition, subtraction easily. For doing this kind of addition and subtraction easily, we are using abacus. For maths purpose, we are using abacus. The abacus may prepared by rods or plastic or something. inside the abacus, lots of beads are there, no? This beads only help us to doing maths. This beads only help us to doing the maths easily. Okay. From where we can see this abacus, pa? Where can we see this? We can see in schools. In school only, no, we are studying. So we can see the abacus mostly in schools. Okay. What is this? Abacus. What is this? Abacus. A for abacus. A for abacus. A for abacus. Can we go for next image? Yes. See. What image it is? What is this, ma? Very good. Some of them saying very nicely. Superb. This is ankle. This is ankle. What is ankle? A for ankle. A for ankle. Where you are wearing anklet? Girls are wearing anklets, no. Where you are wearing anklet? Yes, in ankle only we are wearing anklet. What is anklet? It is a jewel made by silver. It is loved by all the girls. So, girls love to wear anklet in their ankle. Okay? Ankle also help us to walk easily. Okay? So, ankle also help us to walk easily. Okay? What is it? Ankle. What is it? Ankle. A for ankle. A for ankle. A for ankle. Okay, today we have learned a superb lesson. We learned a song first. What song it is? Very good. ABC song. What song? ABC song. Then after that what we have done? Yes, we have learned how to write small cursive A and capital A. Then we have learned the word starts with A. Did you enjoy the class? I hope surely you will enjoy this class. We'll meet in next class. Until that, you just practice all the words to say at the same time to write the words as well as the letter A. Thank you.